Too easy. Hey Dad, can I help you out with something? Wow, look at this room. It's so messy. Okay, well, I'll pick up that single piece of dust, I guess. You know, when I was your age, I kept my room looking spotless. Okay, good talk. So, how are your grades? Dad, I graduated school like 2 years ago. Remember? Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. Alright, good work, good work. Proud of you, son. Thanks. Okay, this is so weird, but I'm actually trying to increase the volume on my phone, but it's not working. Press the side button. Oh, look at that! It worked! I guess you learn something new every day. Anything else? No. Okay, I'm gonna go back out. Dad, you know, if you just wanna socialize and talk to me, you can. Like, you don't need an excuse to come in here every time. What? Talk to you? Oh no, I have much better things to do in my time than to talk to you. Okay. Well, the TV upstairs isn't working, so I'm gonna watch my news here with you.